quesadillas tonight. We're gonna eat quesadillas tonight. Pick 'em up off the lawn, it'll be alright. We're gonna eat quesadillas tonight. Pull 'em out of the bushes and down from the trees. You can pick off the extra leaves. Everybody chow down, it's a quesadilla feast. And then we'll rebuild the factory.
Cheese, tortilla, cheese, tortilla, cheese, tortilla, cheese.
Quesadilla explosion.
Cheese.
Quesadilla explosion.
Tortilla, cheese.
Quesadilla explosion.
Cheese.
It's a delicious explosion.
Taco plus spaghetti equals yum.
Taco spaghetti, people get ready for a cuisine that's delicious and fun. Taco toppings on spaghetti noodles, two incredible foods combined into one. And don't forget the cheesy cheese. And don't forget the cheesy cheese. Spaghetti and taco, it's got me in awe, 'cause it's just so yummy and satisfying. A remarkable flavor right in your face. When you take a big bite, your taste buds will be flying. Taco flavor applied to our spaghetti-based delivery system. And innovative and satisfying, melting of technologies, covered in cheese.
Using science, we can combine the incredible flavor essence of taco with the awesome noodle power of spaghetti. Noodles, meat, tomatoes, cheese. Noodles, meat, cheese.
Don't forget the cheesy cheese. And don't forget the cheesy cheese. Taco spaghetti
Yes.
for you and me. Taco spaghetti forever. Taco spaghetti
Yes.
for you and me. Taco spaghetti forever. Taco spaghetti
Noodles,
for you and me. Taco spaghetti forever. Taco spaghetti
noodles,
for you and me. Taco spaghetti forever.
cheese. Taco plus spaghetti equals yum.